Welcome back to my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel RideNexus. This is not your average family SUV. Say hello to the Widebody Hyundai Tucson NX4, a transformation that takes the Korean crossover from suburban practical to street aggressive. The base car is the current generation NX4 Hyundai Tucson, known for its sharp, futuristic styling, especially those unique daytime running lights. But the star of the show is the widebody kit. The massive fender flares and aggressive rear treatment completely change its character. Starting with the rear, which is the most dramatic angle, you immediately notice the substantial fender widenings that give it a much more muscular stance. A huge, aggressive rear diffuser replaces the stock bumper trim. This one features a quad-tip exhaust setup, 4 outlets, which enhances the sporty look. The distinctive full-width LED taillight bar of the Tucson is retained, but the overall lower body is completely bespoke. This particular look is often associated with high-end tuners like Prior Design or similar aftermarket companies, designed to bolt onto the sportier unlined variants. To fill those huge arches, you need equally wide wheels and tires, which dramatically improve the car's stance and visual aggression. While the widebody kit is primarily for aesthetics, it suggests a performance focus. Owners often pair this visual upgrade with mechanical enhancements. What do you think of this widebody SUV? Let us know in the comments below.